Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. Firstly, find calendar and click on it. Now tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, choose event and customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Choose starting and ending hour. Set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before, take notes and even add location. Over here you need to select while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. Now save your event by clicking on save at the top right corner, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can always do that by clicking on it and tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes and just save one more time. If you wish to delete it, you can always click on it as well, but this time you need to choose those three dots at the top right corner, select delete over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!